Dr. Nhan Tam, thank you for being here with us.
Yeah, thank you.
You'll present your paper later today.
Yeah.
What's it about?
That's a paper that our team in Vietnam, we are doing some, AI application using drone and AI for power line transmission inspection for the
Okay.
Vietnam. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you already doing that or just doing the research?
We already implement, and so now it's production. Yeah, we already deploy for Vietnam Electric Group for transmission company. Yeah.
Can you tell us a bit about the results?
Yeah. In terms of research, we already did, since last 2 years, we did some research and so doing experimental, and we had collect data, we develop a system, and we build a model, AI model, and so we train the data, and so we develop and we apply for the real company, Vietnam Power Transmission Company. Now the system running and applying for the Power Transmission Company number 2 in Vietnam, in the middle of Vietnam, and they are managing near 2,000 kilometers of power transmission line, and that's a very helpful for the electric worker now to apply and using, in terms of digital transformation, help them to improve the performance of work now.
Okay, so the drones help the workers really inspect more lines with less people. Am I correct?
Yeah.
How does AI help with that then?
Before the applying outsourcing, they are doing a lot in terms of manual work. The electric worker, they have to climb to a power tower, and also they are doing manual inspection to see any problem, and so after that they have to doing manual writing about problem and document. It's difficult for company to planning in terms of predictive maintenance, and so to managing the task assignment for worker, right?
Yeah.
And so even some very high power tower on the mountain is a very challenging and dangerous for the electric worker when clamping to the power tower. So using drone is to help them to save time and to even more safety for worker. And also with using the AI technique, we have the electric engineer to automatically to detect the equipment on the tower and any abnormal problem on, like the insulator broken, for example.
Yep.
So it helps them to save time in terms of applying drone technology and also AI technology.
So the AI is mostly for visual recognition.
Yeah, it's for object detection and object classification to help them to classify the normal equipment and so abnormal equipment. Yeah, and detect some what type of equipment on the power tower. Yeah.
Okay, you're doing part of your country now. Will it be enrolled in more of the country?
Yeah, just now we are applying this in Vietnam country, and we are exploring the opportunity for all the country in the region because of the build AI model is depend a lot in terms of the localized data. So that's why we have to build specific model for Vietnam and another country also. Yeah.
Any other goals for the research?
We are having some, the future work in the research to improve the model and to embed the model into the drone, because of currently our work just the drone, the flying and capture data, and then they upload to a server and AI server process. But we are expecting that in future we can embed the training model into the edge side, into drone. When they're flying along to the power transmission line, they can detect near real time.
So then you get real-time feedback.
Yeah, exactly.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, you're at the Computing Conference 2023. How is it so far?
This is a very interesting opportunity for our team to be here to share with all the attendants about how we apply the scientific research to the the real use case, and to see how AI bring the value to the company, our customer. So that's a very interesting to be here to say about our the contribution in terms of applying AI to the real world. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any session or speaker you're looking forward to?
I'm also very interested with some topic from like keynote speaker about the trend of computing power. It's a very clear picture in terms of how the AI application will be the leverage in terms of computing power, and also uh, so many people in terms in the room they are sharing about their research in terms of how to improve machine learning technique in some specific use case. So we learn a lot from them. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Dr. Nhan Tam, thank you so much, and see you again.
Yeah. Thank you very much.